everyone and a very happy new year. My name is Wouter Pere and I'm the founder and main developer of GHG Cloud. And in today's video I want to share with you what we have prepared for our community in 2026. Our last year, first and for all, was a fantastic year thanks to you, our community. It was our first anniversary and we grew to over 70 users in 9 different countries using our software for the daily bore field design. Over the last year, more than 8,000 bore fields were simulated with GHG and we're very grateful for that. We also did last year quite a lot of product development. Based on feedback from you, our users, we implemented methods for interference calculation, for simulating hybrid systems, and also for more advanced pressure drop calculations. And besides all these implementations, we also wrote quite a lot of articles on our knowledge base, so that now you have more than 500 pages of articles available on our website, with accompanying more than 10 hours of free video content on YouTube. And this makes the GHG knowledge base the single largest source of design information for shallow geothermal bore field in the entire world. And we're very, very grateful for that. So as you can see, our last year was a very busy year. And with our community growing as fast as it is, next year will be no different. So for next year, we want to focus again on our 2 major pillars, which is on the one hand software development, trying to make GHG even better in the next year, and on the other hand education, teaching you how you can design better bore fields using our software. Now for product development, we have a lot of features coming up. First and for all, we will be implementing new methods. Last year we focused mostly on hybrid systems, but this year we will also be releasing our first modules for regeneration of bore fields, which is very exciting. We will also do updates on our existing modules. For example, on the interference calculation module, the pressure drop module, and we will also keep developing our automated sizing, length and width module. And thirdly, we will also focus on making GHG more accurate overall. As you perhaps recall, in the summer last year, we stepped away from the traditional approach of using just one fluid temperature, one Reynolds number, and one borehole resistance for the whole simulation period. We moved towards a system where every hour, in case of an hourly simulation, the fluid temperature was recalculated, as well as the viscosity, the Reynolds number, and the borehole effective thermal resistance, which made our simulations way more accurate, especially differentiating between heating and cooling. Now this month, already in January, we will take this to the next level. We will also be moving away from using constant flow rates towards using variable flow rates, so that your Reynolds number can vary even more over time, giving you a way better insight in how your system behaves. And in February, we will be going even one step further towards the final stage of making GHG more accurate, which is the implementation of a heat pump model. And we will not do this by simply looking at temperature variation of the COP, but we work together with manufacturers to actually have the part load data as well in our software. So you can differentiate between oversizing a heat pump, undersizing it, giving it more full load hours and so forth. So this is what we have planned from a development point of view. Now we will accompany this, of course, by creating educational content on our website. Now last year we wrote weekly articles, giving us a very big knowledge base. Now the downside of this article-based information system is that it's sometimes hard to find a chronological order if you're new into this world. So therefore, this year we will take a different shot at it. We will slow down the pace of our articles to an article on a monthly level, at least one, where we explain a new feature or a very specific problem. And besides that, we will launch the first free geothermal bore field design course in the world. And our idea is to create a monthly lecture for you with a textbook chapter, explaining you everything you need to know about bore field design, examples, GHG and so forth. And the idea is that if you join us on the last Tuesday of every month, that by following through from January to December, you have all the information from the physical insights to pressure drop to hybrid systems and so forth to design your own simple and even complex bore fields. Now we will communicate more on this course later this month, but I'm really excited to get on this journey with you. So this was our brief New Year's message. A last thing I want to say is that we will also be experimenting with AI. So this video was recorded in English, but will also be available in French, in German, and so forth. We want to experiment with this because our community is growing more and more international, and not everyone is so fluently in English. So therefore, we want to try how AI can help us get our message across to non-English native speakers as well. So I'm really interested to hearing your feedback, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video in our brand new studio. Take care. Bye.